Let's explore what artificial grass actually costs and how you can save money on your installation. When it comes to artificial grass, you can expect prices to range anywhere from $4.99 up to $29.99 per square meter. The price of artificial turf depends on several factors: pile height, density, grass weight, and overall quality. Let's compare the basic, budget, and essential ranges by looking at their specifications and cost. Professional installation will cost you between $55 and $75 per square meter. When it comes to installation costs, golf putting greens typically run between $11 and $35 or more per square foot. You can save money by installing materials yourself, purchasing in bulk, and making use of off-cut pieces. When you compare the costs over time, artificial grass actually saves you money compared to maintaining a natural lawn. Before making your purchase, you'll want to think about drainage systems, base construction, pile height, and how accessible your site is. You'll need to calculate your lawn size, select your preferred quality level, and decide how you want to install it.